2011 through 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the limited 5.7. We're going to do the rear door actuator. All the doors working fine except the rear left. So we're going to test the lock. Let's lock it. You can see the other side got lock and unlock on the other side. So this side that we're going to work, it doesn't open the door. So we're going to remove the panel and replace the actuator. Okay, this is the actuator for the rear passenger door, rear left side on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2011, 2019, similar. So let's take the panel off and replace it. We expose this bolt in here. It's a loop down the corner here. Expose the screws like so, and then we have a Phillips screw here. From the door handle, it's a little cap. We open it, expose 6 or 7 millimeter bolt. Using this plastic trim remover, we have 2, will be good. We're going to snap it off like that, all around. All the fasteners all around. You can see now it's flexing and it's ready to come out. And we're going to lift to go over the lock. Remove this cap from the lock. Just pull it out. Now we're going to have to lift while holding the handle in the open position and remove the panel. To disconnect the handle, the door handle, just goes through this space in the back, it snaps here, and then it locks in like the bicycle brake cables in here. So the handle is out. We took the panel out, and this is what it looks like when the panel is removed. With the window up, we'll hold the new used lock to the same location. We can see the lock up and down, the cable for the handle, and the wire connector. Make sure that this is the problem, the good one, the one we got is working before installation. Put a light here, and you'll be able to see the plug from inside. Right there is the lock. So I have to reach in there with my hand and pull it out. Okay, now we have temporary plug, the new one we got. Before we place it, we remove the connector from the one we have on the car, connect it here, so I test it again. It's working just fine. So we're going to have to replace it. The old one is bent. We're going to remove 10 millimeter in this panel, maybe bend and get our hands inside there to remove it or make our life easier. If it's not too difficult, so that's what we're going to try to do next. Okay, we are ready to remove. We're removing the last bolt. We remove the 10 millimeter. This is just lock up. We'll have to rotate clockwise to unlock it. And then we'll reach inside through this hole, and we're going to disconnect that red rod. Next, we're going to remove 1, 2, 3. I believe they are T30s. So we use the T30. They're not pretty tight. Some of them are pretty tight. And we'll remove all these 3 to release the assembly. There's another one. I believe it's 8 millimeter. Right here we'll have to remove, and then the panel is loose, and we'll try to remove it. We're going to push the cable back. That's part of our door assembly. And then we're going to reach inside and going to remove the assembly. back end. Okay, the unit is out. This is the new used one we have, and it's working. This is the old one. We give us a hard time coming out because it has this window slider. You can see that leg. So the best thing to do is try to get that leg in first and then rotate and push it in. Okay, have someone pulling back this panel and you have more access to go sideways. So we got it in. First thing is rotate here and insert the lock, and then we'll rotate to a position. The lock through here. Okay, attach temporarily the 3 bolts that go into here. It's still loose. We have to find all the other bolts and screws to align. One is here, and then we have to navigate the cable through here and the wire harness. So working on it. Okay, finishing up, we torque these 3 bolts, the T30s. There is a bolt here, maybe 7 or 8, to hold the window bracket. Already on. The lock is going through here. The cable for the door handle from inside is okay. Last thing remains right now is reach inside and put the harness into a location. Test it before we're going to put the final panel on. Holding the panel, we have somebody test the lock and unlock. There it goes. Go ahead. Very well. Okay, now we're also going to test the window up and down, all the way down. Okay, all good. Job is done. We're going to unplug temporarily. Now we have to put the panel on and complete the job. Okay. Installing the cable, just hold it in your hands like this. And next, we're going to lift the panel into place. Have somebody to help you. Plug in the harness. Then we're going to install the handle. While you're installing the panel, just lift, go through here first, and the handle, hold it in the open position. Drop in the panel. Make sure the pins are aligned. And we can put this one here. That's what it looks like. It has a guide right there and a certain way to go. Take it out when you're removing the panel. Test the lock now if it works. Excellent. Unlock. Perfect. Job is done. I hope this video helped you out with the door actuator for your Jeep. Good luck with your project. Subscribe. Thank you for watching.